Yeah, this is Bridgeport, Alabama, Jackson County. This is the railroad tracks. You may not see it exactly like this in Ocala, Florida, but something similar to this particular spot and everything. I think it's slowing down. If it's slowing down, it sure is slowing. I wonder what they're carrying. Maybe some vaccines? I'm not even half joking, but whatever. Vaccines. There's the chemical that goes into vaccines in that black little tank right there. Whatever. I mean, I don't take any of that extra poison. It's nothing but population control. Slowing down. I wonder if it comes to a complete stop before it even crosses the whole freaking bridge through. That'd be something. If it fell off or something, that'd be doom. Yeah, there's a crash over there at the other side, around this curve over here. Because as you can see it, and this is going in, they got wood in the back. Okay, we'll try to gently cross. Come on, let's look and see what happens with slowly doing this little whatever. Here it is. This is Bridgeport, Alabama. Oh no. It's slowing down, that's for sure. I wonder if it comes to a complete stop before it gets around that corner. Might have to slow down just for the corner. Don't know. This is Bridgeport, Alabama. It sure is slowing down. The last car has nothing but wood on it. 2x4s, something. Well, that looks like pretty much the end of the train. For all you people who know where you're at, this is the northeastern corner of Jackson County, Alabama, Bridgeport, Alabama. They do got Russell Cave National Monument, but I am not going.